Okay, real talk. You're probably spending a ton of money on marketing campaigns, sending the same message to everyone on your list and wondering why nobody's paying attention, right? Here's the thing, there's actually a better way. Imagine if every single customer felt like you were talking directly to them, like they're your only customer. That's what AI personalization does. And honestly, it's not as complicated as it sounds. I'm going to take the next 6 minutes and walk you through exactly what this is and show you how you can start using it. No fluff, just the stuff that actually works. Let's get into it. So, what are we even talking about here? AI personalization is basically using artificial intelligence to look at all your customer data and automatically customize what each person sees. But here's where it gets interesting. With traditional marketing, you're probably still grouping people together, like all women between 25 and 35 probably want the same thing, which, let's be honest, is kind of outdated. AI personalization actually treats every person like an individual. It's looking at what they've bought before, what they browse, when they open emails, what time of day they're most active, and it adapts everything in real time. Think about Netflix. They don't just know you like action movies, they know you watch them on Friday nights, you're into Nordic noir, and you usually pause around the 45-minute mark to grab snacks. That level of detail, that's AI personalization at work. Now, by this stage in the video, you're probably wondering, why should I actually care about this? Let me show you what this can do for your business. First off, your targeting gets insanely precise. Instead of throwing money at everyone and hoping something sticks, AI figures out exactly who's ready to buy right now. Your ad spend actually goes to people who are interested in what you're selling. Netflix does this really well. They're analyzing every little thing you do to recommend shows you'll actually watch. And because of that, you get way better return on your investment. And here's what's cool, it doesn't make things feel robotic, it actually makes experiences feel more human. AI picks up on how people feel, not just what they click on. So when you're making recommendations, you're actually solving real problems instead of just pushing random products. Let's talk money for a second because that's what keeps us all here. When people see offers that are actually customized to what they care about, they're way more likely to buy. We're not talking small improvements, we're seeing conversion jumps of 40 to 60%. AI predicts buying patterns before your competitors even notice there's an opportunity. You're literally turning window shoppers into buyers. Here's a stat that should wake you up. Getting new customers costs 5 to 7 times more than keeping the ones you already have. AI helps you figure out who's about to leave before they actually do. You get like 30 to 60 days warning, which gives you time to actually do something about it instead of just watching them walk away. But to me, probably the biggest win is that your marketing team gets their time back. AI monitors everything in real time across all your channels. No more waiting months to see if something worked. You can adjust on the fly. Your team spends way less time buried in spreadsheets and more time actually on strategy, being creative, and building real relationships. Okay, so how do you actually use this stuff? Let me walk you through the ways companies are crushing it right now. Email's the easiest place to start. Tools like MailChimp use AI to look at what people have bought before, what they've been browsing, their demographics, and then it writes emails that actually speak to each person. The AI even adjusts the tone depending on who you're talking to. And get this, 95% of marketers using AI for emails say it works. More than half say it works really well. That's not just sticking someone's first name in a template. That's actually delivering content people want to read. Product recommendations are huge too. AI watches how people behave across your entire site, your apps, your emails, and suggests stuff they didn't even know they wanted. You know that customers who bought this also bought thing on Amazon? Well, that drives 35% of their revenue, 35% increase just from smart recommendations. Your website can do this too. To literally changes what each person sees based on where they are in their buying journey. Different product suggestions, different banners, different calls to action, and you don't need to be a tech genius. Tools like Wix ADI let you do this just by chatting with an AI assistant, no coding whatsoever. Predictive analytics is where it gets really powerful. AI looks at everything, past sales, how people interact with you, market trends, and it tells you who's likely to buy, who's about to bail, and what's coming next. Tools like Zoho CRM show you these trends before they even happen, so you're making moves before your competition even sees the opportunity. Sentiment analysis is another game changer. You used to need entire teams reading through comments and reviews. Now, tools like Monkey Learn process thousands of social posts automatically. And it's not just counting positive versus negative. It actually understands context, picks up on sarcasm, and tells you how people really feel about your brand. And search personalization helps people find what they need faster. AI learns from what they've searched before and gives them better results. For online stores, this means people spend less time frustrated and more time buying. You're going to need a few different types of tools to make this work. Something to unify your customer data like Salesforce Data Cloud, machine learning platforms like Alteryx, automation tools like Jasper AI, personalization engines like MarketMuse, and analytics like Power BI. I've got all the links below if you want to check them out. Here's what you should actually do in the next month. Week one, take a hard look at what customer data you've already got. Pick one specific thing you want to improve. Just one. Week two, pick a tool and get it set up. Honestly, start with email. It's the easiest and you'll see results fastest. Week three, launch your first personalized campaign. Test it against what you're doing now. Week four, look at your results. See what worked, fix what didn't, and figure out what you're doing next. Quick tip, start small. Get really good at one thing before you try to personalize everything. I've seen so many companies try to do it all at once and just crash and burn. Don't be that company. Look, here's the reality. 80% of people expect personalized experiences now. Companies using this stuff are seeing 5 to 8 times better ROI than traditional marketing. The question isn't really whether you should do this, it's how fast you can get started. If you want to learn more, HubSpot Academy has free AI marketing courses. Google has AI Essentials. Meta has their social media marketing certificate. These are all free and all linked below. So pick one thing, one goal, one tool, one campaign. That's how you start.